For this project, we will use an embroidery hoop to frame the silk organza. After you pull the edges of the fabric, tighten the screw and repeat this few times until it feels like a drum. It's very important that the fabric is tight. It will prevent all kinds of technical difficulties in pulling the thread up through the fabric. To transfer the design, fix it to the back of the hoop. You can use pins or paper scotch tape. With a pencil, trace the design to the fabric. You can use a erasable fabric pen as well. Now the design is transferred, fix the hoop to a surface. You can use a hoop holder if you have one. If not, use a C-clamp to attach it to any convenient surface. To protect the fabric from the C-clamp, use a small piece of felt or any other leftover fabric. To stitch the flower, use golden metallic thread. Start in between the two rows to hide the knot. With few stitches, make your way to the top line. Stitch size 15 yellow seed beads. Then continue to the second line with size 11 seed beads. Without cutting the thread, continue with the petals. First, stitch to the end of the petal and on the way back add 5 or 6 white sequins. Add the silver sequins to complete the petal. Secure with a small stitch and continue to the next petal. Do the same for all the petals. On the last one, make a knot at the end and cut the thread. In the same way, make the second flower. For the third flower, use green seed beads for the base. The steps are the same, except instead of one row of size 15 seed beads, there will be 2 and 1 row of size 11. The petals stay the same. For the stem and the leaves, use green silk thread. Start at the base of the flower with a knot. Stitch the size 15 seed beads until you reach a set of leaves. With the same green thread, make a small transition stitch, pull it back and start the leaves. To do the leaves, make long stitches and pull them back towards the middle, followed by a small stitch to secure it in place. Move up the leaf with the regular stitch and do a pull stitch for every section of the leaf. When you reach the top, pull back the last stitch and come back to the main stem by stitching over the middle of the leaf. Do the same on the other side and continue with beading of the main stem until you reach another set of leaves. Do the same for all of them. To clean the back, use the hook or a needle to hide the loose ends under nearby stitches and cut them short. The chamomile flower is finished. I hope you enjoyed it.